Hi everybody, I hope you had a nice weekend. I will be explaining the lesson from February 14 to 18. So this time we'll start a new lesson. We finish with medical emergencies and we will do Valentine's Day. As you know, Monday, February 14th is Valentine's Day. Then we'll, as a grammar, why questions, and we'll start talking and writing about our families, as Family Day is also coming soon. Okay, so let's see what we have. I'll go and share my screen with you. As you know, we always go to our blog. Okay, let's see. Make it bigger for you. So this is our blog again. If you are new to my class, level 2, and this is the lesson from February 14th to the 18th. Okay, so as I told you, we'll talk about Valentine's Day this week, why questions as grammar, and family. Okay, let's see what we have for Monday. For Monday, I put, for the grammar, I put a video that you can watch. I will explain more during the live lessons on Tuesday and Thursday. The ad will always come up, but you can, after a while, you can just keep the ad and then you can watch the video. So this one is about all kinds of why questions. Stop it here. So who is for people? So who is there? My son, my uncle. Who is your teacher? Teacher Carolina. What? What for things? Or what time? What kind? Okay, so what's that? Oh, that's a marker. Okay, when is for time? When is your appointment? At 10:30. Or when did you come to Canada? In 2002. Which? For to choose. Which one do you want? The yellow one or the blue one? Where is for place. Where do you live? I live in Windsor, Canada. How is like, how would you like your coffee? 2 sugars, a milk? This is a little bit different from why questions. And why for reason. Why did you come to Canada? I came to Canada because I thought my children will have a better future. Or why do you like big cities? Because it's easier to find a job there. Okay, so these are reasons. So you can watch this. It will explain more. Okay, let me just start. It explains the same as I explained for you. And then it will give you examples. Who is he? He's my teacher. Teacher is a person, okay? So we use who for people. Okay, what? What's used to ask about things like table, window, marker, pencil, and so on. Okay, so for things. When ask about time. So when is your appointment? When did you come to Canada? It's time, okay? When are you going home? At 2:30. When does the movie start? At 7. When is the doctor's appointment? At 8:30. When is your birthday? On August 31st, okay? So you watch these ones and it will explain all these questions. Okay, it's very important to know how to ask and answer questions. So these were the why questions that you can watch on YouTube. Watch it a couple of times, and if you want, you can copy some stuff in your notebook too. Okay, this is your first practice with the questions for Monday. This is your homework. So you have to put here who, what, where, when, or why. So these 5 questions, one of these, who, what, where, when, and why. Read the answer first. So here it says he is at the cinema. At the cinema is a place. So then the question will be where? Where is he? Let me make it bigger for you. Okay, so where is he? He is at the cinema. It is a present. Present is a thing. So I will ask, what is that? What is that? Okay. She is my sister. My sister is a person. So I will ask who question. Who is she? Okay. What is that? It's a mouse. They are at home. It's a place. Where are they? Okay. Always read the answers first. When you see because, it will be why. When you finish, click on the finish button, enter your name, and you can send it to the teacher so the teacher can look at it. Okay, so this is, make it smaller so I can see. Okay, so this is Monday's homework after watching the video that I sent out with the explanation and the YouTube video about the questions. Do this homework and read the story about Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day card, rose, chocolate, perfume, Roman, Cupid, arrow, Claudius is a name, soldier, bishop, jail, mating, Valentine, and heart. And this is the story. After reading the story, please answer these questions. When is Valentine's Day? You can just say on February 14th. What are Valentines? They are cards. Who is Cupid? You can get it from the story. And then you have true, false questions. Let me make it a little bit bigger for you. If you can see this, if you are watching this on your phone, I'll make it bigger for you. Just give me 1 second. Okay, let's paste it here. And then here I can make it bigger for you. Okay, so let me resize, maybe 300. So all the answers you will find in the story. So when is Valentine's Day? Valentine's Day is on February 14th. Why wouldn't Claudius let his soldiers marry? Because they wanted them to fight. How many Valentines do Canadians send every day? Valentine cards, many, okay? And then this one, true is false. And if you have a mistake, let me just see. Valentine's Day children to food every year. Canadians send millions of February for birds begin reading. Okay. So this one is not correct. This is false. Okay. This is okay. Let me make it so you can see. For example, number 6 is false. And once something is false, you look at the story. Then you have to change it. On February 14, birds begin to not reading, begin mating. I think that's what is in the story. We'll go back and check it. So here you have to put mating, begin to mate. That means that they will be little birdies. Okay, let's see the story. Okay, so here it says, bird, where are the birds? Yes, in England, people thought birds began mating on February 14th, so we did good. So read the story a couple of times and answer the questions. That's Monday's homework. Okay, on Tuesday, we'll have our lessons with the morning students at 9 o'clock, and afternoon students, we pushed it to 10:10. So we can have the students who are full day students, they can have a 10-minute break between the class, okay? And let's see what we have here for Tuesday again. The same thing, still about that story from Monday. And this is a different exercise. I will make it bigger for you in a second. Okay, let me paste it here. Okay, and make it maybe 200. There you go. So Bishop Valentine married couples in, and you have to pick something from here. Jail, secret, perfume, fight, arrow, mating, or school. Couples in, secret. They didn't want anybody to know about that. Okay. Lovers give each other roses, chocolates, and what? Maybe perfume for Valentine's Day. Yeah, they can give each other perfume for Valentine's Day. Okay, so use these words from here in the sentences. Okay, this one, for example, I got 12 Valentine cards at school. So number 4 would be Cool, but we'll do this together on Tuesday. Okay, and the same boards that you have here, you can use here. If you drink and drive, you could go to jail. So this will be the first answer here, jail. Okay, that is also up here. You see the first one is jail, so I can use it here. You smell nice. Are you wearing perfume? So this one is perfume from here. Okay, so that is one of the homework for Tuesday. And this is also the same. Copy again. This is also the same. That is about the Valentine's Day story. Put it here for you. Okay, and make it 200 so it's big enough and you can see what I'm explaining. Okay, so what you have to do here when you copy in your notebook, just circle the correct answer. So the Emperor Claudius put Valentine in a hotel, in a jail, in a palace, or in army. In a jail. Okay, Cupid shot this at people to make them fall in love. Arrows. Okay, so you just circle the correct answer. Okay, so this is Tuesday's homework. Then I also have a different homework for the morning students and a different homework for the afternoon students to practice why questions. So this is a reading comprehension, and this is a short story here, and then you just have to answer the questions. How old is Lola? How many brothers does Lola have? Where does Lola live? You just have to look at the story, read the story, and answer the questions. Okay, and afternoon students, they will have a different one. That is a listening one. Listen, complete, and answer. So you have to make it just you have to click on the ear, and it says, where are you? So I have to type in here, where. And you remember at the beginning of sentences and at the beginning of questions, you always start with capital letters, so capital W. Okay, let's do one more. Maybe let's do number 4. Where are they? So where again are they? Where are they? I'll do one more. They are at home. It's a little bit. They are at, and then you have home. You don't have home, so you can type it there. They are at home. She's talking a little bit fast, but if you listen a couple of times, then you will be able to do it, hopefully. Okay, for Wednesday, both groups, they have the same questions. So answer these questions about your family and send it back to me. So what's your name? My name is. Full sentences, please. What is your marital status? Single, married, divorced, widow, widower. Number 3, how many children do you have? Number 4, where are you from? I'm from Iraq. Not I'm from in Iraq. No, I'm from Iraq. I'm from Nepal. I'm from Bhutan. Okay. Who do you live with? I live with my children and husband, or I live with my children and wife. I will live with my sister and mother. Okay. When did you come to Canada? I came. You remember past tense. I came to Canada in 2019. I came to Canada in 2020. I came to Canada in 2006. Why do you like Canada? I like Canada because, and you tell me why, because it's peace in Canada, for example. Who is your teacher? My teacher is Carolina, teacher Carolina. Where do you live? I live in Windsor, Ontario. Or you can say I live in Canada. What is the name of your school? The name of my school is Multicultural Council. When did you move to Windsor? I moved, past tense, to Windsor in 2020, for example. Why do you want to learn English? I want to learn English to be able to talk to people, so I can talk to the doctor or the nurse, to help my children in school. I gave you some answers here, okay? And Thursday, we have our classes, the morning class at 9 o'clock, the afternoon class at 10. And then the morning students, they will have a writing practice for the writing test. So you have to write 5 to 7 sentences about your family, okay? And do not forget to write an opening and closing sentence. I will explain this a little bit more during our class on Thursday. Let me see what we have here. So make this bigger, maybe 300. So opening will be hi or hello, my name is this and this. I am single, I am married, I am widowed, I'm separated, I have this many sisters or brothers. Choose any of these. And at the end, you can say, I love my family. I like to spend time with my family. So that will be a closing sentence. Okay? So this is the writing practice for the morning students. And I also gave a little sample at the end. And the afternoon students, 1 second. The afternoon students, they have to answer questions again. For the practice test, we'll practice on Thursday. Who do you live with? I live with my children. Do you have family in Canada? Yes, I do. No, I don't. If you do, who is in Canada? Do you have family back home? Just answer questions. This is a practice for the speaking test. How old is your son? What is your wife's name? What is your mother's name? Does your son go to school? What grade are they in? Does your husband work? Or does your sister work? Or does your brother work? If you say yes, he does, then what's his job? Okay, he's a truck driver. He works in Leamington picking and sorting vegetables. And this week, Friday, it's a PBLA day for the teacher, so there will be no classes. And then the week after, you will have a speaking test for the afternoon students and the writing test for the morning students. So I hope this explanation helps a little bit. And see you everybody on, not everybody, the morning students at 9 o'clock on Tuesday and 10:10, the afternoon students. Okay, everybody. See you soon then. Okay, bye.